So we're up for a very, very early start because we're birding today. We're going to go to Trail 1, which is a route we've done many a time. We're going to go to points 1 and 2 and do point counts. We have seen many birds at these areas because we find these are the hot spots where most of the birds are found, so there's obviously fruiting trees around. We're also going to go to the mangroves to see the kingfishers because we found 3 species of kingfisher there already, and also you can see them very up close, so we're hopefully going to get some really good footage of them today. So we've just seen a small woodpecker up in the tree there. This is quite a good tree because we've seen 2 other species of woodpecker there so far. He was quite small, we didn't see any red on the back of his head, and he has black striated pattern down his back. So we're just using the bird guide to try and identify which species it was. We've also Hannah's taken some pictures on a camera that's got a 400mm lens, so hopefully we can resort back to that back at camp and really find the right species. So we've just come out of the more forested area and now we are on the beachfront at the mangroves looking for kingfishers. We've already seen 3 species here. We've seen the common, the collared, and also the stalk-billed kingfisher, which is a lot larger than the other 2. The mangroves here are not very big, but there's lots of many low-lying branches for them to perch on and plenty of fish in the water. So we're going to go and walk along and do more of an opportunistic survey. So we can't really do point counts necessarily for kingfishers because they're in specific areas. So this is definitely more opportunistic walk, and hopefully we'll see some more species today.